Unleash your inner lion 7-day mindset challenge. What if you could train your mind to be as fearless as a lion in just 1 week? Imagine facing your fears with unwavering courage, focusing on your goals with laser-like intensity, and bouncing back from setbacks with the resilience of a true predator. That's what it means to be lion-minded, to be courageous, focused, resilient, and strategic in every aspect of your life. This isn't about arrogance, but about mastering self-confidence, discipline, and leadership. It's about unleashing the raw power within you, the force that can transform your life from ordinary to extraordinary. Over the next 7 days, we're going to embark on a journey together, a transformation process that will ignite your inner lion. Each day will unlock a new principle, a powerful tool to help you conquer your limitations and claim your birthright to a life of purpose, power, and fulfillment. Get ready to unleash your inner lion, your inner. Let's dive into day 1 of our journey, the mind of a king. A lion doesn't doubt its power, its right to rule the savannah. It doesn't wake up thinking, maybe I'm not cut out for this. No, it rises with an unshakable belief in itself, and that's where our transformation begins, with self-belief. Today, we ignite the fire within by tapping into the power of positive affirmations. Look in the mirror, really look at yourself and declare, mean it. I am powerful, I am capable, I am destined for greatness. Feel the energy surge through you as you speak these words with conviction. But belief without direction is like a lion without a hunt. We need a target, a burning desire that fuels our every action. What is your ultimate goal? What legacy do you want to leave on this world? Write it down. Visualize it with crystal clear clarity. Feel the burning desire to achieve it course through your veins. This is not just about dreaming, it's about setting your mind on a mission. It's about cultivating the unwavering belief that you are worthy, you are capable, and you will achieve everything you set your mind to. Walk with your head held high, knowing that you possess the heart of a lion, the mind of a king. This is your kingdom to conquer. Go claim it. Day 2, and the savannah throws us a challenge. The weak fall prey to excuses, to blame, to the illusion that they are not in control of their own destiny. But a lion knows that it's either hunt or be hunted. And today, we choose to hunt. No more excuses, no more playing the victim. Today, we take radical responsibility for every aspect of our lives. Our health, our relationships, our finances, our happiness, it's all on us. Own it. Feel the power that comes with taking complete control. Identify the areas where you've been playing small, where fear has held you back. Is it your fitness, your career, your relationships? Write down 3 things you've been delaying, 3 actions you know you need to take. Don't wait another second. Choose one and take action right now. This is about reclaiming your power, seizing control of the narrative of your life. No more reacting to circumstances. Today we become the authors of our own destiny. Embrace the thrill of the hunt. Embrace the power of knowing that your life is in your hands. Hunt or be hunted. The choice is yours. Day 3, and we face a challenge as old as time itself, distractions. The modern world is a jungle of distractions, constantly vying for our attention. But a lion on the hunt doesn't get sidetracked by the rustling of leaves or the chirping of birds. It maintains laser-like focus on its prey, and that's the mindset we cultivate today. Our prey is our goals, our dreams, the life we are fiercely committed to creating. And just like a lion, we must eliminate any distractions that threaten to throw us off course. Identify your distractions. Is it the constant ping of social media, negative news, toxic people, time wasters that drain your energy and steal your focus? Today, we implement the deep work technique. For 1 hour, shut off all distractions. No phone, no internet, no interruptions. Just you and the task at hand. Focus on your most important goal, that one thing that will move the needle forward in your life. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve when you eliminate the noise and hone in on what truly matters. This is about reclaiming your attention, that precious resource that is constantly under attack. Remember, where your attention goes, your energy flows. Focus your attention on your goals and watch your life transform. Chapter 4, Day 4, and it's time to step into the fullness of your power. A lion doesn't slink through the tall grass hoping not to be noticed. It walks with its head held high, its presence demanding respect. Today we cultivate that same powerful presence. Confidence is not something you're born with, it's a skill you develop. a muscle you strengthen with practice, and it all starts. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up, make eye contact, smile. Your body language is speaking volumes before you even utter a word. When you do speak, speak with authority. No more mumbling, no more apologetic tones. Your voice is a powerful instrument. Use it to project confidence, to command attention. Practice speaking with power and conviction. Record yourself, listen, adjust. Today we practice confident body language and powerful speech in front of the mirror. Yes, you heard that right. Look yourself in the eye and own your power. Feel the energy shift within you as you embody the strength and confidence of a lion. The world responds to those who show up fully, who own their power. Step into the spotlight and roar. Chapter 5. Pack Mentality, Choosing Your Circle Wisely. Day 5, and we delve into the power of the pack. Lions are social creatures, but they don't allow just anyone into their pride. They surround themselves with other strong, capable lions, individuals who elevate and support their growth. Today, we take a close look at our own pack. Who are you surrounding yourself with? Are they people who lift you up, who inspire you to be your best self? Or are they energy vampires, dragging you down with negativity and doubt? Remember, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Today, we identify one negative influence in our lives and take steps to distance ourselves. This doesn't have to be dramatic. It could be as simple as limiting your exposure to their negativity, setting boundaries, or having an honest conversation about the impact of their behavior. Surround yourself with winners, with people who are on fire with passion and purpose. Seek out mentors, coaches, and friends who believe in your vision and who will support you on your journey. Remember, you are the sum of your relationships. Choose a pack that will help you unleash your full potential. Chapter 6. Warrior Spirit, Endurance and Discipline. Day 6, and we tap into the warrior spirit that resides within each of us. Lions are built for endurance. They don't shy away from challenges. They rise to meet them head-on. Today we cultivate that same mental toughness and discipline. Physical endurance builds mental resilience. Today we push beyond our comfort zones. This could be an intense workout, a cold shower, or tackling a task that we've been avoiding. The key is to embrace the discomfort, to prove to ourselves that we are capable of more than we think. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. It's the unwavering commitment to showing up even when we don't feel like it. Start small. Commit to one new habit, one small act of discipline each day. Maybe it's waking up 15 minutes earlier, meditating for 10 minutes, or reading for 30 minutes before bed. These small acts of discipline, compounded over time, create extraordinary results. Remember, the lion is not the fastest or strongest animal on the savannah, but it is the most disciplined, the most relentless, and that's how it wins. Cultivate your warrior spirit, embrace the challenge, become unstoppable. Chapter 7. Legacy of a Lion, Long-Term Vision and Leadership. Day 7, the final day of our journey, and we look beyond the immediate horizon. Lions are not just concerned with the next meal, they protect their territory, ensuring the survival of their pride for generations to come. Today, we embrace that same long-term vision to our roles as leaders. What legacy do you want to leave on this world? What impact do you want to have on the lives of others? Leadership is not a title, it's a responsibility, a calling to use your unique gifts and talents to make a difference. Today, we write a letter to our future selves. Date it 5 years from now. Describe your ideal life in vivid detail. What have you accomplished? What kind of person have you become? What impact are you having on the world? This is not just a whimsical exercise, it's a powerful tool for manifesting your destiny. By writing to your future self, you are setting a clear intention, a roadmap for the life you are committed to creating. Lead with courage, with compassion, with unwavering integrity. Leave a legacy that will inspire generations to come. The world needs your leadership. Step up and claim your place in the sun. Unleash your inner lion. It's just the beginning. Over the past 7 days, we've journeyed together, unlocking the secrets of the lion's mindset. We've ignited our self-belief, taken control of our lives, honed our focus, and stepped into our power. But this is not the end, it's just the beginning. The real challenge is to embody these principles every single day, to make the lion's mindset a way of life. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. You have the power to create a life of purpose, passion, and fulfillment. Now, I want to hear from you. Which step resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're ready to continue this journey, hit that subscribe button for more content to help you unleash your inner lion.